So here guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go on today's class. In today's class, we will learn how to make a smart street light. That is Wingy class 3. So let's overview of today's class. Introduction to sensor. Learn about IR sensor. Build a smart street light. So you can observe this when the car is going in the straight line, and the sensor when sensor detect the car, and the light automatically on. So let's make smart street light. For this you need breadboard, two LEDs, two IR sensors, screwdriver, jumper wires. So how to give power to IR sensor? Laptop gives powers to Nano gives power to IR sensor. So this is the pins of the IR sensor. Always remember VCC to plus and GND to minus. Power supply will be connected to sensor through VCC pin and GND pin. So let's make it. The first step is connect your Nano to your laptop. So second step is to put in all connections. So you can see the red light is glowing and the blue light is glowing. When the sensor detects any object in the front of the sensor, so the light glows. So as you can see. So thank you guys. Bye bye.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat.